Hi there, it's Ryan from Moody Prep. Right now we're going to be showing you a solution to problem number 21 from practice test 7. This is on the harder second math module from that test. Okay, so on this problem, so we're renting a carpet cleaner and they charge $52 for the first day, and then for each additional day they charge $26. So then they're just asking us which of the functions shows the cost in dollars of renting the carpet for D days, where D represents the number of days. Okay, so initial thought, and what most people do on this is, they see 26 is the amount per day, so they think, okay, we want to multiply 26 by D, the number of days, right? And then it's 52 for the first day, so you add 52 onto that, and then that would give us B, right? 26D plus 52. This would be wrong, however. So one important thing when you're taking the math section, especially as you get towards the end, is be aware of where you are on the test. So this is problem number 21. We're on the tougher math module, so chances are the answer is not going to be that straightforward. So if it seemed like it was pretty simple to get to the answer, you might be oversimplifying it. So that's one thing to keep in mind. Okay, so why was this wrong? Let's break it down. Let's look at an example. So let's take an example of, let's say that that you rent it for 4 days, right? This will help to kind of ground it a little bit and help us to see what we're doing. Okay, so if you rent it for 4 days, then we're paying $52 for that first day, right? And then we're paying $26 per day for the next 3 days, right? Because it's just for the additional days, right? So 52 for the first day. For the next 3 days, we pay $26 each day. So the overall amount is going to be 52 plus 26 times 3. So where do we get that 3 again? That's the number of days after the first day. So those are the ones that we're being charged $26 per day for, just those ones after the first day. So we got it by subtracting 1 from the total number of days. That's because this initial rate is just for the first day, so that's why we're subtracting 1. So the additional days is D minus 1 is the number of additional days. So overall, we could represent this situation by $52 plus 26 times D minus 1. So in our example, D was 4, but D could represent anything. D minus 1 would give us the number of additional days, so that's the number of days we're being charged $26 for. Okay, so now we have our function, but we notice we don't see this exact function in any of the answer choices, right? That's okay, we just need to carry out some math and reform that a little bit, right? So we have 52 plus 26 times D minus 1. So let's just distribute this 26 through the D minus 1. So we have now 52 plus 26D minus 26. So that's the same as 26D plus 52 minus 26. So that gives us 26D plus 26, because 52 minus 26 is 26. Now, we do see that answer choice, answer A. So that's our correct answer. So just this type of problem is one that has shown up a number of times on various practice tests. So it's there's a good chance that something similar to this will show up on your test. So it's good to get used to this type of problem. So in general, this is a type of problem where they give you some kind of rate or flat fee for the first X number of units. So in this case, it's the units are days, right? It's $52 for the first day, and then the rate changes after that point. Sometimes it might be, it's like a flat fee for the first, 4 apples, and then you're charged a different fee per apple after that one, for example. So just keep in mind that when they're changing, they're giving you one rate for the first X, and then changing the rate, that amount that they're charging for the additional ones, after the rate changes, should only be applied to the additional units. So that's, the variable, in this case D, minus whenever that change occurs. So in this case, it occurs after the first day, but if they said, it's $52 for the first 5 days, then we'd be doing, D minus 5, right, instead of D minus 1. So just keep that in mind if you see a similar problem. Hopefully this was helpful. Let me know if you have any questions, if anything was unclear in the comments, and if there are any other problems that you want to see solutions for, leave that in the comments. I'm going to be trying to eventually get to all the problems, but if there are ones you want to see sooner, let me know.